Nice 1960 Ford F250 long bed. Still need pressure wash. It'll look like a lot better when it's pressure washed. A little rust up at the front of the bed. You can cut it and make it a short bed. The rest of the bed looks very good. I just cleaned it out yesterday, that's why you're seeing all the water in there. American flag, gotta love that. I'll show you that real quick. Oh, gotta unwind it. The wind got it today. This truck is located in Douglasville, Georgia. It's for sale. $950 or best offer. I was told that it ran when it was parked. You know how that goes. Everybody says that. Needs a little bit of body work. Be a cool work truck. Cool rat rod. Needs a front bumper or a piece of wood. Whatever you decide to do with it. A little bit of damage on this side. I'll find you another grill and fender if you want me to. That's what I do. Show you the inside and then underneath the hood. Got the old squeaky door sound. That step could be replaced. I think they sell them on Blue Oval and LMC and all that for about 30 bucks. Find a friend that welds and you're good to go. It's not a stock bench seat, but it's pretty good. Throw a blanket over it. Get some gauges. Once again, $950 or best offer. I'll help you load. Help you find parts. I buy and sell these trucks all the time. I've had 8 of them. We have a huge Facebook group. If you look up, do a search on Facebook for custom classic F100 or 57, 58, 59, 64s, you'll find our group on there. We do truck of the month, truck of the year, calendars. Trying to get enough money together to do some t-shirts. These are the old forgotten year Fords. Let me show you underneath the hood. It's got a straight 6. Open it up. You can see the rest there. I have not pressure washed or cleaned up under here yet. Battery box is in perfect shape. Fenders look good. New wiring harness, radiator, gas tank, master cylinder. You'll be back on the road again. It's got the vacuum wipers, it looks like. You could also use it for a parts truck. A lot of good parts left on it. Get 1 or 2 or 3 more of these things up and running. Show you the other side. Inside. The grill is perfect up to about right here. So if you had one that was damaged on the other side, it would be easy to cut off and replace. Or I can find you another grill. The glass can be bought at any glass store. It's flat glass. I can give you a template. And the left window can go on the right. All you got to do is switch the bracket on the bottom. Parts are kind of hard to find, but kind of easy, depending on what you need. The main floor is not too bad. The steps would need replaced. Like I said, that's about 34 bucks. Douglasville, Georgia, easy to get to off of Interstate 20, close to Alabama, Tennessee, Florida, North, South Carolina, any other state. Short drive, good truck. Show you the bottom of the door, not too bad. Vehicle comes with a bill of sale. You have a wonderful day. Thanks for looking, and once again, look at our 5760 Ford truck group on Facebook. It's huge worldwide, from Alabama to Australia, New Zealand, Saudi. It's all over. People from everywhere love these old trucks, and this is one more I want to help get back on the road. I've been throwing the license plate. Thank y'all for looking, and please send me a message if you're interested in purchasing this fine 1960 Ford F250. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.